Okay, so the first part is to cut the infusible ink transfer sheet. So I have cut a 6x6 square out of the sheet that came in the carton. I'm using Mermaid Rainbow. So I'm going to place this on the mat. It's a little bit larger than my 5x5 design, but that's okay. Okay, so you want to load it in so that it is ink side up. Please make sure that your hands are dry because the ink will actually bleed if your hands are wet or oily. So be sure to be working with dry hands. Okay, so then next we're going to put the light grit mat into the Cricut Maker and load that material up. Once it's ready to go, let us start the process. We're going to be using this scoop neck t-shirt. I've already washed this. So what you do need though is a lint roller or a piece of packing tape to take the lint off of it. Okay, so the project is done cutting. Unload the mat. And when we remove the infusible ink transfer sheet, it comes off fairly easy. That's why I use the light grip. It comes off like paper. It doesn't feel like vinyl. It's not sticky on the back. Okay, so you can see it was very easy to weed. It comes off with your fingers, not a problem. Okay, so the design looks very faded on here, but once the ink is infused into the shirt, it is going to be super, super vibrant. Okay, so now we are ready to press the design into our t-shirt. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab your Cricut Easy Press heat mat and put that underneath. Then you want to take cardstock, slide that into your shirt where the design is going to go. This protects the other side of the shirt from getting any of the infusible ink on it. Okay, so once you have that cardstock in there, I just used a small piece. And I am using the Cricut Easy Press Mini for this project. Generally, they recommend the Easy Press 2, but I just moved. All of my stuff is packed, and I cannot find my Easy Press Mini, or my Easy Press 2 at the moment. It is packed in one of my mini boxes. Okay. So the first thing you want to do now is take the butcher paper that's included, and you want to heat up your mini or your Easy Press. Mine is still heating. I put it on the 3rd bar. That is the highest setting. It will bring it to 400 degrees, which is what you need for the infusible ink sheets. So once that is ready to go, we are going to give this shirt a nice press over where the design is going to be to warm up the shirt. Okay, the Easy Press Mini is ready to go. We're going to preheat the shirt. Also, before you put the butcher paper down, just make sure you go over it with a lint roller. I already did that, so I'm not showing that process, but we are just going to take the Mini and heat up the area where we're going to put the design. So, now we have that part pressed, ready to go. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your design. Remember, we cut it on the ink side, so it is mirrored. And now you're going to take it and place it face down on your shirt wherever you'd like it to be. Which is, let's see, I'm going to put it right about here. Then you're going to take your butcher paper and put it back on there. And then you're going to give this a good, it's going to be about 240 seconds. So I'm going to press this. Okay, so now we're ready to reveal it. Let's peel off the backing. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, as you can see, it is a very vibrant look. There was a little tiny section that's a little bit faded, but that's okay. I don't mind a little bit of a distressed look. Okay, so just to let you see what it looks like once it's in, it actually has bonded with the fabric. So this design is beautiful and vibrant. And it's like having a sublimation print.